Okay, so I'll show you how the vlog setup is. It's kind of nice though. Kids are sleeping, but got this light. Let there be light. Oh gosh, that's really bright. That was, that was bright. Anyways, let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so you guys can see with it pretty much assembled. That's what it looks like. Got the light box here that can be turned around, shoot the other way. But pretty comfortable. I will say pretty comfortable. Looks like, oh, got this little screw back here, so it looks like you can mount it another way. I'm gonna play around with the different configurations and see. Probably could use this to live stream too. I don't know. We'll see. You watching love stories? You're watching love stories? What video? What is that? I'm being nosy. Getting pizza. Dork.